Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by FireFox Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress Global's beginner tutorial and this is our part 3. Inside this video session guys, we'll discuss about browser detection globals in WordPress. And also guys, if you're a beginner to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about WordPress Global's tutorial. So basically guys, inside our previous video session, we had discussed about the types of globals actually the WordPress contains. Here we have the third option, something called browser detection globals. What actually it means? Browser detection globals, it means that the WordPress has some global parameters which basically stores the information about the browsers. And those global parameters of WordPress basically returns the boolean value. It means that suppose we are going to use our application on the Google Chrome, and now we have a variable, means a global parameter in WordPress, which basically checks that the browser is open, is Google Chrome or not. So while opening, it returns true while getting the browser as a Chrome. Otherwise it returns false when we open into Safari or any of the browser of our system. So what are those variables? So just back to next slide. So as we can see guys, that these are the list of global parameters basically the WordPress provides for the browser detection. This is called isIphone. Basically when we open our application on iPhone, then it returns true value. Otherwise it returns the false value. This is for iPhone Safari. Now is Chrome. Basically it checks that we have opened our application on Google Chrome or not. So along all these variables guys, it provides the browser detection concept in WordPress. So let me understand about using these variables. So if you go to browser, and now inside our previous video session guys, this is the page that we have developed where we have checked about the logged in user ID. So if you go to editor, this is the custom page template guys, which we have developed as single page template. So we are going to use our global parameters like our browser detection variables also inside this page. So first of all, let's make comment of all these lines. So I'm going to comment all these lines before using our browser detection global parameters. So this is basically what we have made. This is our comment lines. Okay, so let me declare, basically we are going to use our Google Chrome. Okay, so that's why, because of that, we are going to use called is Chrome. Okay, is Chrome is the global parameter for that. So first of all we have to declare, so let's say that global, and this is, let's say that is Chrome, and let's say that if opened application is in Chrome, so basically let's say that we have used in Chrome, or let me wrap all these things inside h1 tag. So let's say h1, and these are the statements. Okay, and also we have some spelling mistakes, so this is something like that. Else, let's say that echo this is not Chrome. So if I save this file, basically what we did inside this code, we have declared our global parameter is Chrome, which basically checks that the opened browser is Google Chrome or not. If it is Chrome, then it executes this line, else it executes this line. So if you go to browser, this is the page, just I'm reloading this page, and now as we can see that we have used in Chrome. Basically this global parameter detects that the browser. Okay, so let's suppose that if I use the page URL, I'm just copying and opening into our FireFox browser. So this is FireFox. Let me paste the URL and I'm going to press enter. As we can see that the statement has been changed. This is something, this is not Chrome. Obviously we are using FireFox. So here we have the is Chrome is used to check our browser as Chrome. So if we go to the list, inside this list guys, we have also global parameter to check our FireFox browser, and this is something like that. Okay, so if I copy that, go to our editor, and let me use that something called global, and this is our variable. So let's say that else if, inside this else if, we are going to use this variable, and let me say that this is FireFox. Okay, and else let's echo browser detection failed. So if I save this file, go to browser, and now I'm reloading this page. So we have used our browser as a Chrome. Okay, so if I just move to Firefox, reload this page, and now this is Firefox. It's because we have used else if condition here. While getting our page inside our Google Chrome, it executed this line, but in case of Firefox, it returns the false value. So while getting false value, it executed this else if statement, and now this statement, as we have seen, called this is Firefox. So basically guys, the main concern of this video session is that the WordPress provides some of the global parameters which detects the browser. And basically for that we have the list of all global parameters here. I will drop all these parameters inside the description of this video. You can just see and use in your application. Suppose you have used called Internet Explorer, you can use something like this variable, and also if you have called Mac, then according to that operating system and browser you can use these variables. Suppose we have Opera, Netscape, Safari, Google Chrome, iPhone Safari, and many more browsers we have. So along with these browsers we have multiple variables in WordPress provided for the browser detection. So I think guys that I have explained about each term of browser detection in WordPress. So if you have any query in this video session guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.